If anyone asks you how you're doing, just say, I'm flat out.
When your heart turns stone, when the things you weren't meant to see are all that you know. Too late to sell back the lies and the dreams that you sold. So sick of your crooked smile and your comfort zone.